All right, let's get this work going on here. All right. Who was that? That was my wife. Hello. Hey, honey, how are you? I'm still at work right now. So what's been going on? Hey, honey, what's going on?
I was up 2 o'clock in the morning.
Oh wow. Of course, I was up around 4 or 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning to go to work, babe.
What
Um,
happened?
I'm just was trying to get to work early today. What about you?
I woke up, got my day started, ate breakfast, took my medicine,
Oh yeah.
lay back down, took a nap, woke up from a nap, and called you.
Oh, okay. Of course, you probably knew I was at work, huh?
Yeah, I didn't know.
I was at work, so I was just letting you know. I sorry I left around 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning this morning. I had to get to the construction site in time so I could be able to get started to work early, if you know what I mean. I had to stop and get a
Oh,
cup of coffee this morning.
wow.
Yeah, so other than that, are the children went to school today, or they dropped, or they just say screw it and just then go to school again for the second time?
They didn't go to school.
Uh, I'm going to have to deal with that when I get back home, when I come home from work, because I'm tired of these. I'm tired of kids just refusing to go to school and giving you problems.
They said, I'm not going to listen to you, Mom. Listen to Daddy.
Yeah, they will listen to Daddy, all right, because Daddy's gonna be coming home not too happy with them. And by the way, babe, the kids are going to be grounded for a month because they skipped school again.
That's fine with me.
All right, honey, I gotta get back to work. I'll talk to you when I get home.
Alright, you want me to call you back?
Yes,
Alright, love you.
love you too, baby.
Bye.
Bye.